First is hair. Comb regularly. After combing regularly, what should we do? Wash with shikekai pods, or you can say soap pods. They are called shikekai. Yes. I'll just write that as soap pods. And in the bracket, I'll write it. You know this. Yeah, they are very known to you. Or we call soap nuts. And they are Rita. You know that. These are available every house. In every house it is available. But I know nowadays you have shampoo. Yes. So use that shampoo. But excess of shampoo is bad. The reason it contains chemicals. So remember that. Now we should take care of the hair in this way. So comb regularly and wash it at least 2 times in a week. So how many times? Wash twice in a week. Is it clear? Understood all of you? Wash twice in a week. So this is the care of the hair. Now what about nails? Cut the nails. Grown nails. Okay, regularly. Cut the grown nails regularly. Why? Because sometimes the dirt is accumulated in the nails, and when you eat food, the dirt along with the food along with the dirt enters in your stomach, causes stomach pain. So we should do this care of the nails. Then what about your teeth or mouth? Teeth and mouth. What will you do? Brush your teeth regularly. Twice. Yes, brush teeth twice. When you get up in the morning and as well as before going to the bed. At the same moment, you should rinse your mouth with fresh whatever water is given is there with you, and this way you should clean your mouth. After taking care of your teeth, hair, mouth, they have also shown you some pictures regarding how to brush your teeth. So take care how to brush your teeth properly, and they have given a chart to you in your school textbook that is very important, that stages of teething. When a baby is born, when do they have the teeth? So first thing, the teeth come out. First point, teeth come out of the gums in the age of 4 months to 24 months of an infant. So when a baby is born, we all feel very happy, but have you seen when the teeth are grown, and those are grown, they come out from the gums at the age of 4 months to 24 months. So remember, 4 months to 24 months. Now at the end of 2 to 4 years, at the end of 2 to 4 years, how many teeth are come out? A child will have 20 approximately teeth. Okay, so at the age of 2 to 4, the child will have 20 teeth. Then at the age of 5 to 7, yes, this is your stage. What happens at the age of 5 to 7 years? teeth fall, and these teeth are called temporary teeth. You know that these teeth fall and these are temporary. You know that. So these temporary teeth which are come out of the gums, those are called milk teeth. What is the other name of it? Milk teeth. And these fall out at the age of 5 to 7 years. And then we get the proper set of teeth and permanent teeth. So after the age of 8, fourth point, after age of 8 years, permanent teeth. And now this permanent teeth you must take care very well. Now when the child is just 4 months old, what does the mother do? She just presses the gums of the child with a cloth or with fingers, and this way it helps to strengthen the gums. Then at the age of 2 to 4 years, day by day 20 teeth come out. They come out of the gums, and the parents help to brush the teeth of the child. At the age of 5 to 7 years, under the guidance of parents, child brushes the teeth. And after the 8 years, permanent teeth are grown, and so the children should independently brush the teeth and take care of the teeth. Otherwise, you know, if a teeth is decayed, you have a very toothache, and that toothache is very dangerous. You have to rush to the dentist, you know that. And so if you keep your teeth very clean, the digestion is also proper, students. So it helps to digest the food properly. So clean teeth is very, very important. Now after that, we have seen the personal cleanliness, what we have done. But apart from the personal cleanliness, I did my personal cleanliness is fine. But what about the surrounding cleanliness? Yes, it is important. So surrounding cleanliness is also important. We should see to it that the garbage is not collected near house, and if it is collected, you should destroy that garbage, whatever is given. So the garbage is of two types. Garbage is of two types. One type, dry garbage. Second type, wet garbage. Now what is included in the dry garbage? Dry garbage, paper, glass, etc. And what is included here? And what is included in the wet garbage? Left out vegetables, leaves of the fallen trees, then left out food. This is wet garbage, and this wet garbage forms, with the proper care if you do, that forms a proper fertilizer, and that this is the way more and more fertilizers are made, and this is called the biofertilizer, and which is helpful in adding it to the plants. So wet garbage and dry garbage I have taught you. Dry garbage is paper, glass, hair, etc. Now how to take care of the paper, glass, hair? Now these things should be completely destroyed. What is very harmful, student? Plastic. Overuse of plastic is very, very dangerous. If it is recycled plastic, it is good, but otherwise the plastic articles or items, whatever we have, are very dangerous for our environment, and that is why we are calling that day by day we are threatening, we are doing the global warming. So that is why we are telling every child avoid using more plastic, avoid using more and more unwanted things in your daily chorus. And so paper can be destroyed again, it can be formed in the recycled glass and hair. So this is the way it is to be taken care of, the dry garbage and wet garbage. So overall in this lesson, health and hygiene, personal health and hygiene is important. Apart from that, it is also important to have surrounding cleanliness. So do not collect garbage near your house, and if it is collected, see to it that it will be collected and thrown it in the garbage bin. Overspilling garbage bin is also dangerous because mosquitoes, flies sit on it and spread the diseases. Nowadays, more and more diseases we have seen as a patients are dying because of that. So students, my saying to you that see to that you try to make that habit that garbage wherever is collected, you complain and it will be properly destroyed. See to it that it will be properly destroyed. Malaria, typhoid, dengue, all these whatever we are getting diseases day by day are spreading, and so see that you should take care of the health also with hygienic habits.